Are you ready?
Welcome to the Seafront here at Blackpool. It's the Seafront 419, and guys, I've just literally come into this room and look how spacious it is. Got the ironing board and hairdryer on there, and we got a little safe too. We've got surround sound as well built in on the walls. I think it's sound, or maybe some of the, it looks like speakers. I don't think it's speakers. Got the telly. We've got mood lighting going through the room. We've got a nice little air AC unit. I love this painting of Blackpool Tower and all the piers and all that. Looks amazing. But I'm gonna start in the bathroom. Look at this. Zoom out so you guys can have a look. It's a jacuzzi tub, and it's massive. I think you can fit 2 people in there, in the tub. Absolutely insane. But guys, the highlight of this is the toilet. It's a Japanese looking toilet in the room. It's got like the power button, the water, the seat, the function. It's all controlled by this little remote here. Oh my freaking God, it's, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Then we've got some stairs leading up to the little bedroom area. So we go up here. They left us some petals on the bed, which is quite nice. We have our little view. The view out here is just basically the car park, but you're looking out towards the prom. We won't be here that much anyways because we're here for Blackpool Pride. And look, we got a little friend named Jakey. Hello, my name's Jakey. I would like to live with you. So we've got a little free rubber ducky. He'll probably go in the bathtub later on as well. And that is the room here at the Seafront 419. Oh, before I do, I forgot to show you, we got a fridge, but let me just move these out of the way. Look at that. It's a fridge. It has blue lighting, and looks like we've got a little water thing as well, so we could just fill up with water. That'll save me going down to Tesco's and all that later on. It's not an actual speaker, but it does look like an actual speaker to me. But there you go, guys. That is the hotel tour here at the Seafront 419. I just realised something. I haven't done the bed test yet of this place. The bed, ooh, it's nice and comfy. It's very soft. I absolutely love it. It's so comfy and nice. And we actually got another TV right in front of me. So we've got 2 TVs in this room. Mental.